Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how you can create augmented reality AR experiences using free tools. First, to get started with AR, you'll need AR software that allows you to design and implement AR elements. One great option is AR.js, a free, open source library that works with web technologies. It's simple to use and doesn't require advanced programming skills. Next, you can use Spark AR Studio by Facebook, which allows you to create interactive AR effects for Instagram and Facebook. It's free to download and comes with a variety of templates to help you create custom AR effects like face filters, virtual objects, and more. Another great free tool is Unity with the Vuforia engine. Unity is a powerful game development platform, and with the Vuforia engine plugin, you can create AR experiences for both mobile and desktop. There are free plans for both Unity and Vuforia to get started. For mobile AR, Google's AR Core for Android and Apple's AR Kit for iOS are free SDKs that allow you to build AR applications. Both platforms offer tools to integrate virtual objects into real-world environments, and they come with detailed documentation to help you get started. To create the actual content for AR, you can use Blender, a free 3D modeling tool, to design objects and animations. You can then import them into your AR app or project. Once you've built your AR experience, test it using the mobile AR viewers or by deploying to your device to make sure it works as expected. By following these steps and using these free tools, you can create your very own AR experiences without breaking the bank. AR is an exciting field, and these free tools make it more accessible than ever before. That's all for today's tutorial. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.